We are pleased to show you the 2020 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice activated navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.